All right, it's 9:30. Um, we have this 15-minute fair value gap, and sorry, it's going 3 minute. Oh, we already about to IFEG. Whoa. Okay, so we had a resistance zone up here, and we have like this order block thingy going on. I don't know if we're gonna bounce off this though. So let's just wait and see if we have to. For me to feel comfortable, almost we might have to like really go down and inverse like one of these down here. In my opinion, we're in this 15-minute gap now. So we need to literally, yeah, we should literally bounce off of it. You don't get a 3-minute CISD until we close below here. I actually like this bounce. I don't like this resistance zone though. Sitting right up there. There is a liquidity point in the middle of the zone here. Let's see if the one, I mean, that's a nice candle though. Okay, there's an hour resistance zone up here though. That lines up with this liquidity here. So that would be nice. That would be nice. We can push above here. We can wait for, this is a 1 hour CISD. We're not waiting for 1 hour CISD. A 15-minute CISD is going to be here. And I think we're already about to close above it. Now, can I get 400 from here? Not really. 28 seconds left in this candle. I like it, but we might have to go on the 2 minute and see what's T. Like, I like it, but it's not holding. Let's see what the 5 minute got going on. Yeah, see, we're in this little zone here. And we've been so bearish that I feel like, we could still be bearish. So I just don't want to. We're in a zone to be bearish from on the 5 and the 15. Not quite on the 15, but on the 5. We're holding at this EMA. And I feel like, yeah, I want to close below these 100, 200 if we're going lower. So I hope we hold. Then if we go lower, there's a bunch of equal lows down here. This isn't that low, but I mean, obviously this is the clear first target if we are going lower. But I feel like I'm not even going to get in until we like get close to that for lower. So with so many fair value gaps, which I don't like. We can inverse this one and then bounce off this one and go higher, So let's see if we IFEG on the 15 would be nice. But again, there's so many on the 15 as well. And we have that 5 minute one right there. So let's see how we react off that 5 minute gap. All right, the first 5 minutes. If you're a 5 minute orb trader, first 5 minute candle. Need this 5 minute fair value gap, so I want us to see if we close below it, or and then we have a bearish one here, but if we close above that too, well, it's gonna be bearish if we we sweat. Yeah, we kind of IFEG'd on the 1 minute. The 1 hour. IFEG'd, came back, tapped into a bullish one. And then we have some targets up here. So it's giving on the 1 hour we want to be bullish. But we could, again, be bearish. Who knows? Who knows? I think we do want to be bullish, though. Like I said. But there's no confirmation for sure yet. We did get a close on the 3 minute. We did get a 3 minute CISD. But that gap here is holding. We got CSD kind to the upside too on this one. But we'll see. We do have orange folder news at 10 o'clock, which isn't. I've seen orange folder news look like something, I've seen it not. Alright, we hit that zone again. We see it's turning white and red. So let's see. We're fighting it. The 5 minute orb is here. That's the zone. Alright, we're gonna get IFEG to the upside on the 3 minute, which would be nice. Or on the 2. We don't know what we're doing here. No idea what we're doing here yet. Still, this 5 minute resistance zone is holding. It's a nice little push. It's a nice little push. Everybody gets CSD on the 3 minute back to the upside if we can get it. Came out that 5 minute gap. Sheesh. It's a little scary though, the way it's rejecting like that a little bit. Alright, I think we can go in buys. Like I said, we have an hour target, and now we crossed over on the 5 minute. Our next target is 18.37, so we have a bunch of room. There's a bunch of fair value gaps up here. We do have one up here. I think, yeah, we want to push. There's at 2114 is first liquidity point. Like I said, we're bullish on the 1 hour. So, let's just see the T. Okay, liquidity is at like 18,214. It's something like right there. So we need to all right, this might take a while to play out, honestly. Okay, 18,214, first liquidity. We'll see how many ticks that is. You can trail there. But after that, it's 18,374. So I think we should be able to push, which is way above, again, like yesterday. The hour zone is above the 15-minute zone at the 18,374. So. Okay, we're up there. No, it should be like 214. It's like right there. All right, so we're at 100. Yeah, see, there's a liquidity up there. So looking good. Let's just push. All right, we're at 200. It might go to auto BE soon. Oh, we're holding at the 100 EMA. Yeah, I want us to go up to here, up to this one. All right, auto BE. We're pushing on the 15-minute too, so we should be good. Now, there is a 15-minute fair value gap that was just made. So if we pull back, you know, we might have to move stop back down. So let's just see. We need to inverse that gap on the 1 hour. This is a 1 hour chart. You see we have a gap here. We need to just close above it. Just push, 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 push. That's the 200 we've been done previously. See if we can get to 3. Would be nice. Yeah, 15 minutes pushing. They're both pushing, so it looks good. We're almost at 250. Both are pushing. We can close above this on the 1 hour. Would be nice. If not, we'll just maybe trail or something or close on our own. Come on, push. There we go. 15's looking good. They both are looking good. All right, we're almost at 3. We're at 250. The 200, if we can get to the 200 would be nice. All right, holding at the 1. The 100 EMA, but let's see if we can get a push. Yeah, there is a fair value gap here that we could tap back into, so. Another fair value gap made. We love that. So go ahead and tap into it. So. Again, the 15-minute, there's still 11 minutes in this, and we do have a 15-minute gap. So. Alrighty, manage how you want to. You can take PTP. You can trail. I feel like there's just none of these gaps have been touched, so we still have a lot of space on the 3-minute EMA. I think we could come back into here. I honestly, let it come back up here. I honestly could move my stop to here because of this gap here. But like I said, on the 1 hour, we are in this gap. So let's see if we can just close above and go up to this gap. And there's liquidity up here. There's liquidity right here. But this is a 1 hour order block, so that is not a... Oof. Can we hold? I think we can hold. Okay, yeah, we have all these fair value gaps. If we inverse one, hopefully we bounce out of it. If we push below, then I'm just gonna close. Just bounce out, please. And we want to go back up to this high now. But like I said, we do this big 15-minute gap as well. It's gigantic. I might close, but I'm gonna wait. That's what I want to see. Push up. Push up. $20 seconds left. Oof. Now it's back low. It's a weird place. 214 was that first liquidity, and it looks like 15 minutes swept it, and it kind of looks like we're pushing back down, but let's see if the 3-minute can hold. New candle. Close out of this top one. Maybe it's going to tap back at the EMA. Come on, push up, push up, push up, push up. Oh, shit. Okay, we have to IFEG this now. If we can close above this in the 2-minute, we're good. If we don't, I'm going to have to close my trade. I'm just going to close. I closed in profit. Now, if we go up there, we might. But we're in a weird place, and this is a 1 hour fair value gap. So, small wins today, but we'll take it. Yeah, I had a feeling we might. Again, like I said, this is a fair value gap up here. I wanted a little more. The 15 minutes looking like it wants to move, so We'll see if it holds, but I'm done, and just a small game today. Small game today.